Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make my card sketch number 102. This is the card sketch that was posted on Monday. So cute. And remember, you can take this card sketch and jazz it up. So you don't have to use the circles. You can use the squares, the ovals, anything you want. Even for the circle here, you could substitute that for a bow. So for my case, that's exactly what I did. I put a greeting. Now this was the sample of the template that I had posted on Monday using this little pig. It's so cute. Now this is using the 3 elements, the 2 circles, and then the says thanks. So the little piggy says, this little piggy says thanks. And my little circle here is using the mercury glass acetate. Hopefully that shows up on camera. So those are my 3 elements. And then I used the basket weave 3D embossing folder for the background on that one. And then I'm using the clouds for my cow one, which is from the Over the Moon stamp set. And this one I used the 2 circles. I used the smoky slate and the pool party for my circle. But I'm going to change it up even more today. The ovals this time for the cow. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's start with the measurements for the pieces. The base Whisper White is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then your Pool Party is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Whisper White is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then your Pool Party is cut at 2 1/4 by 4 1/4. And then the Smoky Slate is cut at 2 by 4. Okay? All right, so first we're going to go ahead and stamp our clouds on the back. And we'll go ahead and stamp our cow too while we're at it. So now these are the 2 stamp sets. I'm using this cow right here for Over the Moon. And then I'm going to stamp the You're Utterly Fantastic. I love that. And then for this little piggy stamp set, I'm using the cloud. So cute. And then this was the pig that I used on the other sample. All right, so here's my cow. And we're going to take the Memento ink because we're going to use the Stampin' Blends today. Remember, when you're using the alcohol-based markers, you want to use a water-based black ink pad. And the Memento ink is water-based. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp my cow on a piece of scrap. Okay, and then I have my clouds. So I'm going to stamp my clouds along the top of this Whisper White piece. But first I'm going to take my template here. Actually, I'm going to take my bigger one of my Pool Party. And I'm going to layer this on the card. I'm not going to adhere it down. I'm just going to use it as a guide to know where to stamp all my clouds. That actually looks really good. Right about there. And then I also did some clouds ahead of time. So I stamped the greeting, You're Utterly Fantastic. And then I stamped the clouds 2 more times. And then I hand cut them out and put them on little mini Stampin' Dimensionals. So 2 of them. So you can see that on the sample here. Pop those up. So cute. All right, so that's all the stamping, I believe. All right, so now let me show you what I'm going to use to color in my clouds and my little cow here. So I'm going to use the Pool Party in the combo, the Granny Apple Green in the combo, Flirty Flamingo in the combo, and then Basic Black in the dark and the Petal Pink in the dark. Okay, so let's go ahead and start coloring. Okay, so there's our images colored. Now let me show you what I used to cut these out. So I went ahead and cut out the cow already. Let me show you what I used. So these are the ovals. And I used these 3 right here. So I used the largest one to cut out the cow right here. And then the Smoky Slate was with this size here. The oval with the Pool Party was this one, okay? So those are the layering oval dies that we used for that one. And then for the circle one, I also did another circle because I'm going to be making a bunch of these cards for my team. So I used the layering circle dies for these. And this is exactly the same size that I used on my sample card. So the largest circle was for this cow here, and then these two sizes was for the smoky slate and then the pool party. Okay, and these were the layering circles. All right, so let's bring in our other pieces here. We got our layer that's going to go onto the pool party here. So let me go ahead and attach this. Okay, so then these two pieces are going to get layered together. Okay, so we're going to add some linen thread to the top of my layer right here. So I'm just going to put some adhesive along the back. Then wrap this linen thread around the top part of this layer here. Okay. Then we're going to pop this up on dimensionals. Okay, then we're going to take our smoky slate and our pool party layer. It's going to go right about there, I think. All right, so we can put this onto the base, just like that. And then we're going to take this oval here, stick that out to the side. And then our cow is going to get popped up. Go right here. So cute. And then our greeting, we're going to pop that up on dimensionals as well. You're utterly fantastic. I'm going to put that right down here. And then we're going to take our two little clouds, and I already went ahead and put mini dimensionals on the back side of those. And all I did was I stamped them and I colored them in exactly the way I did on here. I'm just going to put them right onto the smoky slate background layer. Just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, then we're going to put this onto our base here. I think I popped the other sample up on dimensionals, but I'm just going to put this one down with snail. Okay, so then one more thing, we're going to add some Wink of Stella to all the clouds. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm just going to paint around the edge of the top of the clouds with the shimmer, the Wink of Stella. So cute. So that's the Card Sketch 102 with the oval shape. And then here's the one with the circle. So you can see it's the same layout, just changed it up a little bit and made it different. And then here's the one with this little piggy. How cute. And then of course here's the template that started it all. So template number 102 was posted this past Monday. So if you want to catch out all the past card sketches, I have a gallery with all the samples and the links that go right to the card sketch on my blog. So that link is posted down below if you want to check that out. And I'll also have all the items listed below for both of these cards. And then also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by and we'll see you later. Bye.